So what I've set up here in this scenario is 4 chairs or 4 tables which are together, and this is forming a typical mid-oceanic ridge offset, and it's offset by this fault. So the offset of the fault is this way, and therefore this is a sinistral or left lateral offset fault. But this is not any ordinary fault, this is a transform, and the paper here is representing the oceanic plate, the crust and lithospheric mantle. So the lithospheric plate, which is going to spread in this direction. So if we play time forward, the great thing about the geology of the plate is that we have this convenient digital tape recorder, the magnetic striping. So let's play a little bit of time back in history when the plates were reversed. The polarity, on the plates was reversed. We now spread this out, we'll see that this produces a stripe of change magnetism, and now back to normal magnetism, and we have a little bit more spreading taking place. And then we have a period of time where the plate tectonics is recorded by some reversed magnetism, and this is trapped in the rocks, and maybe this reverse magnetism carries on a bit longer, and obviously we can get participants to put in these stripes. When we carry on now, we have this symmetrical pattern developing. We have a little bit more reverse striping, and so on and so forth, and we then produce this typical transform fault ridge offset pattern. And what we'll notice is that the movement on the outer parts of the plate are fairly consistent. There's no difference. They're moving this way. But between the ridge we have this movement, and you will see that the movement is going in this direction. So we have movement this way, but in between the plates we have movement which is going this way and that away. And so between the plates we have got right lateral movement, sinistral movement on the offset, and dextral movement on the actual plate. And this also suggests why we get earthquakes in this region here, and few if any earthquakes in this region here. So a bit more reverse magnetism.